This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य शुक्रवासरः अथवा भृगुवासरः ज्येष्ठ पौर्णिमा दिनांक 5 जून 2020 सहस्रयुगं पृष्ठ 35 शंखं चक्रं गलौकान्तमृतघटं चारुदोर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिरुद्यां मौलिमं भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोधोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं निखिलगतवनप्रौढदावाग्निलीलं ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धाम् आत्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टाज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मार्थैव च अध्यापकोऽभिषक्तश्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रतनोति सः सम्पृत्यर्थं विकार्यस्य वयं प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षमीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत् प्रेच्छत्नं सत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमामि। मंजिष्ठा मुस्तकुटित गुडुचि कुष्ठनागरैः भांगी क्षुद्रावचा निम्ब निशाद्वय पदत्रिकैः पटोलकटुकी मुर्वा विडंगासन चित्तकैः शतावरी पुष्पेन्द्रियवासकैः भृंगराज महादारु पाठाखदिरचन्दनैः त्रिवृत् वरुणकैरात बाकुची कृतमालकैः शाकोटक महानिम्ब करञ्जातिषाजलैः इन्द्रवारुणिकानन्ता सारिवा प्रकटैः समैः एभिः कृतं पिबेत् स्वार्थम् कृष्णा गुग्गुलु संयुतम्। तर्हि मञ्जिष्ठादिभिः क्वाथः करणीयः एवञ्च समैः सर्वैः एतैः द्रव्यैः कृष्णा गुग्गुलु संयुतं पिप्पली गुग्गुलु सम्मिश्रः सः क्वाथः पेयः अष्टादशसु कुष्ठेषु वातरक्तार्पिते तथा अष्टादश कुष्ठ वात रक्त उपदंश श्लीपद प्रसुप्तौ पक्षघातके एवं प्रसुप्ति मेदो दोषे नेत्ररोगे मञ्जिष्ठादि प्रशस्यते। तर्हि अयं महान् पाठः मञ्जिष्ठा मुस्ता कुटिच गुडुचि कुष्ठ नागर शुण्ठी भारंगी शुद्रा कंटकारी वक्षा निम्ब निषाद्वय हरिद्रा फलत्तिक त्रिफला पटोल कटुकी मूर्वा विडंग आसन चित्रक सप्ततावरी सायमाण कृष्णा पिप्पली इंद्रियव वासा भृंगराज देवदारू पाठा खदीर चंदन त्रिवृत वरुण किरात बाकुची कृतमाल अर्वद शाखोटक गोजिह्वा महानिंब करंज अतिविशा इंद्रवारुणी अनंता सारिवा पर्पटक कृपया कषाय इंटरनेट with pickle and gugulu 18 types of कुष्ठ वातरक्त अर्धित उपदंश श्लीपद सुप्तत्व पक्षाघात मेदो रोग and नेत्र रोग no mention of नेत्र रोग मेदो दोषे नेत्र रोगे मंजिष्ठादि प्रशस्यते महामंजिष्ठादि नाम्ना ख्यातः अथवा केवल मंजिष्ठादि रूपेण ख्यातः is this available in the market by some name if somebody knows about this and Falashruti is quite wide as such and Pakshavadha is also there. Vatarakta Kushta, this is fine, but Upadansha and Shlipada Mahamajishtadekana. So it is the same. So most of us are using this, and still I was not remembering the part as such. Medo Roga and Netra Roga. This we are not using actually Mahamajishtadekana. There is Suktata, there is no Prameha in this, but there is Suktata. And even Ardita and Pakshagata. So might be worth in using this. Krumihara Kashaya. Nirgundya Agni Vedanga Daru Rajani Mustaku Karni Kshapaha. Bhangi Vyosha Palasha Shikru Chavika Patha Rasonan Vitaihi. Vatak Shikru Vidanga Hinku Patuman. Ketamsha Vidhosaya. Dando Dharva Matas Dando Dharva Samasta Mantrakrut Samskaro Yathevasura. दंडा अथर्व समस्त मंत्रकृत संस्कारो यथा एव असुरा. It might be atharva. Atharva has not meaning, has no meaning. Anyway, Nirgundi Agni Chitraka Vidanga Daru Rajani Devdaru and Rajani Haridra Musta Akukarani Mushika Parni or something like that. Yeah. Shapaha. Let's just written next Shapa. Actually, there is already Rajani. Shapa is Ratri or Rajani. So maybe we take Darvi. Manjishtha Ghana. Okay. Bhangi Vyosha Palasha Shikru Chavita Patha Rasonan Vitei. Vatha Shigru Vidanga Hingu Patuman. Shigru Vidanga and Hingu. This is to be added externally. Ketamsha Vidhvamsaya. So this is Krumihara. Prepare decoction by boiling the above. Shigru Vidanga and Hingu. Krumi. यथैव असुरान् अथर्व समस्त मंत्रकृत संस्कारः दंडः. That might be the अन्वय. So अथर्व समस्त मंत्रकृत संस्कारः. So संस्कार by अथर्व समस्त मंत्रकृत that has been created by all mantras from Atharva Veda. That kind of danda, that is the visheshan of danda. Yatheva asuran. So that made the Vidvamsa of Asura. In the same fashion, this Kvata does the Vidvamsa of the Kita, etc. So we may try to think about this kind of kashaya. Next one is little simple. And Krumi Nidana is a very strange Nidana. And many times we may miss this diagnosis, and by fluke it is noted or something. I remember two cases of mine. There was a little girl, 8 years old, and she had come to me for actually Tamakashwasa in Lonavala and used to suffer a lot during rainy season and even Shita Ritu. And when she came, my first impression was Kurmi because there was Shweta Vaivarnya and she was fond of eating very sweet things and no doubt there was kapha as well. And for the first time, keeping aside the Tamakashwasanidam, I started with Krivingna Chikitsa Kurmikuthar Arabhakapila. And I didn't give any medicine for Tamakashwasa. And then I was a bit afraid that she has come basically for Tamakashwasa. I have not given any medicine for Tamakashwasa. So ultimately, I suggested the Shumula Rishta. I came back. I went after 15 days. And she came. She was much better. Then I asked, what about the asthma? They said, no, there was no asthma attack during whole fortnight. And Kurmi Patana, they said, she is passing just Kurmis only. It's like there is no pieces. Just Kurmis are coming out in bundles. So this was really strange for me. And but anyway, she recovered well after that. And the main diagnosis remained Krumi itself. Shupa is given in place of Chapa. Drona Pushpi in Hindi book. Okay. So that makes a big difference. Of course, there is one Krumingna Haladi Yoshit Priya Hattu Vilasini. There is one Paryaya as Krumingna for Haldi. Though there is Padashruti, there is no mention of Kruming in Haldi. But Varavaranini is also one of the Paryayas of Haldi. And another case was told by Tai Rajwade. A 5-year kid was complaining of severe headache, and all investigations were done. Nothing was found. And then everybody said that this is psychological. He doesn't want to go to school, etc. That is bad. He's doing his life like that. Ultimately, that came to Sai Rajwade for Ayurvedic treatment. And she gave him some treatment. And suddenly a worm came out. And the headache stopped. Actually, she didn't intend to give any treatment for Crohn's. But what treatment she gave with that, the worm came out from the pieces actually. And then the headache stopped. So this is really strange. In Bhagavadikar's book, there are many cases wherein he felt that it might be Krumi and had given criminal treatment. At that time, Santonin was one of the medicines, wonder drug, so to say, for Krumi Chikitsa. And that was being used by many Vaidyas. There are varieties of medicines for Krumi, and Krumi Kuthar Ras, Krumi Mugdha Ras, and Aragvat Kapila, etc. are being used by me right now. But particularly this Mukha Vaivaranya, patients coming for Shvitra-like appearance and basic diagnosis is Krumi. And when we treat Krumi, then this gets treated, that is C. Surprisingly, Phansalkar sir was of opinion that Khadira Arishta works better than Vidanga. And there is Krumi Nishkasana after giving Khadira Arishta. That was his observation. And he used also Jiraka Derishta in children for Krumi. And this was a bit strange. Vidangaso is being used, or Vidangarishta is being used by many Vaidyas. And that has certain results. for how long Krumigna Dravya should be given. Sound is not clear. So, generally the Krumis can get into what you can say dormant phase if the conditions are unfavorable, and they come back again whenever the conditions are favorable. So what I generally do, I give this basti of Karanjal Kapur thing and Nirgundi thing. Only thing is Karanjal Kapur is to be used only with small quantity, 2 to 3 ml. And Nirgundi you can give 20, 30, 40, whatever is suitable for that age. This is to be given 3 days successively, and then you repeat it after 1 month. This I have used in many cases. Sarvesh Muksar uses this Karanjal oil in much more quantity, 10, 50 ml, 20 ml, like that. But I have seen in few cases that it gives very much trouble. So I am restricting it to only 2 to 3 ml. And surprisingly, these are Pulishaja Krumins, but having effect somewhere else. There was a strange case discussed by the Lard when I was a student in Tilak Mahavidyalaya. So, in that condition, there was a case of mitral stenosis diagnosed by allopathy, and they were treating him. Once a while, X-ray chest was done, and they found a worm that was lodged into the mitral valve and calcified, and that is why it could be seen in X-ray. Then open heart surgery was done, and worm was removed. But we have a Krumija Rudroga also. I have a case with Krumija Rudroga, etc. And we have to treat the Krumi in that situation. So, what is difference between Krumi Kuthara and Krumi Mudgara? Truly speaking, I have not gone into deep into the preparations, etc. Kurmi Mudgar is not that way very easily available. Kurmi Kuthar is more available. I'm emphasizing on Kurmi Kuthar itself. But given this Matra Basti of Karanjal Kapur with Nirgundi Tai is a better choice. Datar Guruji has said about Medo Yoga for Kurmigina Chikitsa. And his experiences after giving Medo Yoga, Firasat Mamata Kandan Vishwa. Lots of Kurmi come out. So this is also stated. What is the relationship between the Kurmi and these things? Is still a question. Anyway. But there are Kurmis like Hridaya, so that getting into the heart. There are Antrada Kurmis which might be our diagnosis of ulcerative colitis in some cases. So, giving Krumigna Chikitsa is useful in that condition. Only thing is, when there is bleeding, we can't go for Ushna Tikshna Dravya like Chitrak and Hingu, etc. We have to restrict ourselves on Gokshura, Dravya like Gokshura. Gokshura is a very odd Dravya, Madhura Madhura Shita, but still Krumigna. So might be that it removes the clay and helps. कुर्मी मुद्गरा मध्ये कुचला आहे कुर्मी कोठार मध्ये नाही कर्पूर आहे. That's good. So kuchla, if it is there in this kurmi mudgara, then there are certain children found who have the habit of bedwetting, and that is also associated with this kurmi kurmi koshta. There might be 2-3 reasons. One is fear, anxiety, that is also there. This kurmi is also there. And excess drinking of water, that is also there. So we have to take care of all these positive factors. And if they get a sensation, then that is fine. They don't get a sensation. So with this view, I started using Vachatena Navi Prakshepa in these children, and that also works fine. So anyway, what we have to do is, Krumi is a very complex kind of Vidana, and we may not think Sarvani Kushtani, Savatani, Sapittani, Saprishmani, Saraktani, Sakrumini. So there is Anubandha of Krumi in every Kushtha. So that we have to remember. And along with the Kushtahara Chikitsa, whatever we are doing, we have to think of Krumina Chikitsa as well. So it's better where do you get Vacha? It is available in the market. So there is no problem of this availability of Vacha. So this might be used. Vedanga Krishna Maricha Nirigunti Mula Shigrubi Bhangi Vishwaku Karanyabdai Kuratvatha Krumihara Paraha. So this is better. Vedanga Pippali Maricha Nirigundi Mula Shigru Bhangi Vishwa Akukarani and Abda is Muskan. There was one thesis by BHU on difference between Akuparani and Rundirkani and Brahmi. And the title was something very great, that how many abortions you have done by using Akuparani in place of Ma, this Brahmi, etc., etc. But truly speaking, many people are using so-called Undirkani as Brahmi as such, and having no adverse effects as such. I don't know what it was based on. I've just seen only the front page of that. I have given Turbina in hyperactive children. It works. That is fine. So what is your name actually? Your phone number is being displayed. So now this is hyperactivity is a major issue now, and that might be associated with fast food to a certain extent, and the anxiety, fear, stress of the family, mother, particularly Rita. Okay. So Rita Shah, I suppose. So these are the things, and particularly when it is associated with autism, then it is more dangerous and more difficult to treat or something like that. Krumi can be one of the Nidana in this, and we have to look for that. So this is rather simple. Vedanga Krishna Maritan Drigundi Muda Chigudi, Bhargi Vishaku, Karunyabdai, Kwathak Kurmihara Paraha. Whether this is available in the market or not, that we have to see. And maybe Kashaya tablet will be better if it is available. So, does anybody know about this Kashaya tablet of this Vidangadi Kurmihara? I think nobody is responding. Vatahara Kashaya. एक काहीतरी हा बलाच चरैरण्ड शुंठी रासना सुरद्रुमै ससिंधुवार लशुनै अष्टवर्गो निलापः. Actually, अष्टवर्गः निलापः should be there, not Nirgunya available, not Vidangadi. Nirgunyadi is upper one. Okay, so Nirgunyadi is available. It is fine. But this we may try. या गणातील आहुतीसाठी काढलेला भात पण कृमींसाठी देतात, हे कसे काम करत असेल? यज्ञातील आहुतीसाठी काढलेला भात. I'm not sure what you are saying. You may call later.
भाताची आमटी देतात बघा, पण ती रोजची वैश्वदेव. पण मी असं मागे एकदा त्यांनी सांगितलं दात खायला उपयोगी पडतो.
You are saying about Vaishwadeva.
पण ते सिम्टम माहित नाही पूर्वी पडतात.
अष्टवर्ग कशा आहे अवेलेबल? Okay. So actually with Krumihara Dravya there is a mention of preparing Pupalika etc. from that. We may have to consider. Kolatkar sir used to ask patients to have Undirkani churna in roti. So while preparing the dough.
हेलो.
हाँ हेलो.
हाँ जी बोलो.
So while preparing a dough, we have to mix that Vidanga into that or Krumihara, whatever you feel, and it is to be given. Undirkani sir was using. वैश्वदेवाच्या वेळी तूप आणि भात टाकतात, तो वापरला जातो. माझी आई देत असे, करण्या कार्यकारण भाव नाही माहिती. Okay. So I'm also not much aware about this and concept of Vaishwadeva, etc. So maybe we think about this and
वैश्वदेवाचा भात सवय माहिती आहे, पण ऍक्च्युअली तो तुम्ही ते लक्षण त्याचं लक्षण त्यांना दात असतात, त्याला ते उपयोगी पडतो आपण. श्रुतीलाही दिलं त्याचा.
It is useful for Danta Katkatayana and what is better, Vidanga or Undirkani? So surprisingly, Vidanga Krimignana, that is the guessing. But Phalashruti of Vidanga is Vatavedi. And nobody actually uses Vidangasa for Vatavedi. In the same manner, Vasakasa Phalashruti is Vasakasa with the Sarosvetu Nashana. Nobody uses Vasakasa for Shotha. Vasakasa is being used for Kasa, Shwasa, etc. So why it is like that, we may try to understand. Still, this is a puzzle or question for me. Anyway, I won't be able to say much about this Vaishwadeva. And Sir was using Undirkani and not Vidanga. But Vidanga can be used, of course, where there is a mention about that. I have thought of a chutney actually with Vidanga. That is Bharjita Chanasha, what we call as dal, Marathi Putani, but dal. And rasona, and if possible pudina, dried pudina, and then whatever you want to add for taste. So this might be a good thing, vidangadi chutney, and I have just in that mind. But this is a part of Agni Deva when we prepare sweet dish is the same. A chutney of rasona kadi patta is also used for cooking. That is fine. No, when we are preparing Odana for Vaishwadeva, and a part of that is being given to children, that is what the tradition is. So when we prepare it for Agni with that intention, then we may try to understand it. Anyway, so Bala Sahacharya Renda Shunti Ratna Subhadrumahi Sasindhuvara Lashunahi Ashtavargo Nilapaha. So this seems to be good. And Ashtavarga Kashaya is available in the market, but that is not in use by me as well. So I may think about this and let us see. Sandhava. Sindhuvar, not Sandhava, Sindhuvar, from Nirgundi. Actually, Nirgundi is available in plenty. And good Vata Shamana. We also prepare Nirgundi Kalpa in our clinic. So that is fine that we can use in varieties of patient for Vatahara. And even it is Smritida also. So I often use it as Smritida. Shunthi Bala Dayak Vatha Sarvavata Nibarhana. This is most simple. So we may try this. Ashtavarga Kashaya tablet पण आहे. As per my experience, Vidangarishta gives good results in Arbuda. This is also fine. But that means you consider Krumi in Arbuda. That is one of the important aspects. If you are giving it with Krumi Nidana as such. 53 number shlok. Krumiyara Kashaya has Devdaru and Palashruti of Vidangasava is Vatavyadi. Vataprakopa may be stimulating Krumi Utpatti and Vata Shamana reduces it. Can't say what you are saying. Don't understand really. No, it can be Krumihara and it can be Vata Nashana. Both the things are possible. Now it is very difficult to say that particular Dravya is Vatahara and particular Dravya is Krumihara. It's a synergistic effect as such. And so we have to think. Shunti Baladvaya, Bala and Mahabala, he is saying Nagabala is easily available. And Bala and Nagabala, that will be better, I suppose. Vidangarishta या अधिकार विद्र दिया है सा अधिकार विद्र दिया है surprisingly. So this is again Vidanga is Rasaya. That is true. There is a strange story about Kolhatkar sir and Dail Vaidya. That in a particular lady, Dail Vaidya had given Lakshmi Narayan dress. And Kolhatkar sir surprisingly asked why he has given Lakshmi Narayan. Because Lakshmi Narayan from Datar tradition is being used in Jwara. In Zailve, they were surprised. He said the adhikar of Lakshmi Narayan is Sutika Vata. So that is why I have given it this lady. So sometimes we forget the adhikar and we don't know what is to be used, or we use it for some other purposes. No, there is no doubt Adiladanta Bande and etc. There is Jwara, mention of Jwara in Lakshmi Narayan. But main adhikar is Sutika Vata. And we are not using it for Sutika Vata. That is major issue. Recently, there was one case which is very surprising for me. After delivery, 3rd month, the TSH level was something like 6 or 8, and it has risen up to 200 with goiter and some lymphadenopathy. And then I asked him to recheck. The other lab said it is 258. And then he gathered information, and it was seen that this can be observed in after in Sutikavastha, and it requires 12 months to 1.5 years to get subsided. And the gynecologist said you go to endocrinologist or something like that. Anyway, both of them are Vaidyas. So they approached me, and considering this associated with Sutikavastha, I started with Lakshmi Narayan now. And let us see what the results are. This is just now given or something.
पण मग सुपिकावस्थेत परवाची ती बाई होती ना, तिला बीपी तेव्हाच वाढायचं. त्याला एक अबॉर्ट झालेली त्याच्यामुळे. ती करावी होती मग. ते लक्ष्मीनारायण उपयोगी पडत.
चालू शकेल. So म्हणून वैद्य म्हणायचे काय देतो यापेक्षा का देतो हे महत्वाचे. बरोबर. Sir, is there any difference in therapeutic output in using actual kashaya on tap or granules of kashaya? Difficult to say. When we are preparing granules, and if they are made in Sharkara, then Fensalkar sir used to say that they become more Raktagata very easily or something like that. So, Kashaya is the original thing, and when we are trying to use any other form, then it might be having some different action. Sutika, Nilakshmanan and Dilata got very good results. Sutika Manovasada. Okay. So this is quite possible. Vidanga bit anga. One patient suffering from bad dreams, mostly about Mala Purusha, etc. Collector Sarga Vidanga and he get cured. Also, Vidanga is Duswapna Nashana. Very good input. There are patients seen with this and having motion during dream. They always dream of this kind of thing. So, Duswapna Nashana, this is another important aspect. That is fine. When to use Pratapalankeshwar and Lakshmi Narayan? If there are scanty menses, because Pratapalankeshwara is useful particularly for scanty menses and they increase the flow, then one may use Pratapalankeshwara. Or if there are other symptoms like Grudrasi, particularly Katishula Grudrasi, then Pratapalankeshwar is a choice. Otherwise, you may go for Lakshmi Narayan. That is fine. विडंगारिष्टाच्या अधिकारात गलगंड हनुस्तंभ आणि भगंदरही आहे. Okay. So what we need to do now, really study the yogas, different yogas, along with the Falashruti. And here generally the Falashruti is very small, excepting very few yogas. But when we go for Falashruti of varieties of medicines, Aushadhi Gunadharma Shastra, 5 volumes written by Ganesh Shastri and also translated in Hindi now. So he has tried to give the Karyakaran Bhav, the causative relationship about the Falashruti in most of the yogas. And try to understand the yoga as a whole. So Vidangarishta then may be used in varieties of, particularly this is also hypothyroidism. We may have to think of Vidangarishta as well. If it is having Galaganda and Hanustamba and Bagandhara. Anyway, this our Pratipadika Kosha will be bringing all medicines together. They are covering all texts, so it will bring all the medicines together. And particularly when we go for complex yogas and other things, this might be a possible thing that we have get a list of varieties of drugs with the same Falashruti. Either Krumi or Pakshavadha or Vatavyadi or Bagandhara, etc. And then this might be possible to use specifically a particular dravya as such. So anyway, I am fascinated by this Shunti Baladvaik Vatra. We may think about this Shunti Baladi and prepare a kalpa from this. That should be fine. Saptachadoshirat Patola Mustaharit Itikta Karohini B. Yashtavaraja Dramachandanana Kwathan Pipet Pakaharam Mukhasya. So this is available as Suktihara Kashaya. Strange. Anyway, is there Kashaya tablet also available? Suttihara. Saptachadadi Kashayam is available. Okay, so it is by both names. No. I have used this particularly for severe Mukhapaka, and it generally responds to this. So when the Mukhapaka is not getting subsided by normal medicines, Kamadagha, Durva, etc., or Raktapachaka, Raktamokshana, etc., then and even after giving Grahani Chikitsa as such, the diagnosis is Mukhapaka itself. So it's not associated with any other disease. Then we may have to use medicines from the Adhikar of Mukharogadhikar. And this is in Mukharogadhikar. So we may have to think about this. These are mostly Tiktarasatmaka and Shitaveda, excepting some Haritaki, etc. And Shunti Baladi Suttihara. Okay, I thought Saptachadadi. So Shunti Baladi is available by the name Suttihara. This is very strange. There is no mention of Sutti in this. But I felt that this is a good combination of Pachana and Balya. There are many patients requiring Pachana and Balya. So we have to think about this. असू शकेल. That might be possible. Then it is it might be working on nervous system as such. We call it as Vata Vyadhi and associated maybe with Rakta and such. And Saptachadadi is also available. That is fine. Yashtava Raja Drumachandananam Patham Pibet Pachet Pakaharam Mukhasya. So this is quite good. Sannipata Vikarahara Kashaya. दशमूला मृता मुस्ता परपटो क्षीर चंदनैः पुनर्नवा बलाधात्री पटोल कटुकाव्यायः वासा पुष्पलता या स विष्णुक्रान्ताभिरन्वितैः सदेवी च भांगी च त्रिजातं कटुरोहिणी अग्रपुष्पी च रास्ना च किरातेन संयुतैः पथ्या बिभीतकयुतैः कलिङ्गकसमन्वितैः क्षोरजोङ्गकसंयुक्तैः शतावा मधुकैः इभैः चीनोषणमजाजी च जातिफलदलन्वितैः तत्पुष्पैश्च समैरवि वैकुण्ठकुसुमान्वितैः सप्तक्षदादि गण्डूषकषाय. Whether we get Saptachadadi Kashaya tablet as well, that might be useful for making Gandusha. Punarna Baladhatri Patola Patukam Bhayaihi, that might be Bhayaihi Sadhu part. This is quite big. And Vasa Pushpa Lata Yasa Vishnu Kranti Bihi Anvitai. From Sanskrit point of view, this is very strange. Trijatan Katurohini, Kiratena Sanyutaihi, there should be one more syllable. It is 7 only. Pathya, there is Padhya. Vivitaka Yutaihi, Kalingaka Samanvite, Shora, Jomkaka Sanyutaihi. So, we try to see. देवनादुरु नतं कुष्ठं जीरकद्वय संयुतैः किराततिक्तकं वेणुतालपल्लवयोजितं वातं सन्निविकारेषु विशेषात् कपवातयो कम्पचाड्याद्यहरणं सर्वदोषहरं परम्. दशमूल अमृता पर्पट उशीर चंदन पुनर्नवा मला धात्री अमलकी पटोल कटुका वासा पुष्पलता. अरे बापरे. Not it is Asa Pushpa, it is Pushpalata, that is Kushmanda. यवास यास यास यवास विष्णुक्रांता सहदेवी भारंगी त्रिजातक कट्टुक रोहिणी अग्रपुष्पी रासना किराततिक्त पथ्या बिभीतक कलिंगक कुटज शोर कचोरा जोंगक अगरु सप्त शतावा मधुक इभ नागकेशर. इभ is a पर्याय for elephant or steed. Strange पर्याय. चिनोषण. What is चिनोषण? विपांतर वचा. That might be चिनोषण. अजाजी जाति फल जायपत्री जपत्री वैकुंठ कुसुम तुलसी. I thought it might be पारिजातक. देवदारू नत गंधितगर कुष्ठ जीरकद्वय. There was Jiraka. Oh, no, Ajaji is there. So Jirakadvaya, Jiraka, Krishna Jiraka, then Ajaji may be taken as some third variety of Jiraka. Kirata Tikta Venu Vansha Tala Pallava. Prepare decoction by boiling the above specified text. Sannipata Jvara, Kapavata Roga, Kampavata, Jadyatva, Sarvadoshahara. Actually, Katham Sandhi Vikarashu Visheshat Kapavata. In Sandipata and particularly for Kapavata, Chinoshana is Maricha. Can't say. चीन म्हणजे नागेश्वर. नागेश्वर स्वतंत्र आलंय ना. इभ इज नागेश्वर. So Chinoshana is Marich. That is in Hindi. Still this is difficult to understand. But anyway. Jadyatva Sarvadoshahara. There is a fellowship of Kampavata. Now, whether this is available in the market or not, I am not sure. Sandipata Harakashaya, is it available by this name? We have problems with Kampavata as such, and no, it is not available. Okay, so maybe think what Jadya means. Gaurava, Jadatva, that is Jadya. So this may be physical, this may be at mental level as well. एरंड कोरंड बलामृतानां शतावरी विश्वयुजां कषायः हृत्पार्श्वास्तिक पुष्कशूलं निहन्ति सिन्धुत्तसिता मधुरः. Strange, right? So एरंड कोरंड. शूलहर कषाय, it is पार्श्व अस्तित्रिकपृष्ठशूलं निहन्ति सिन्धुत्तसिता मधुरः. Venu is Vansha or bamboo. How come both Jadya and Kampa? That is quite possible. In Parkinsonism, both the things are seen. There is involuntary movement and there is tabdatva as well. They become standstill and nothing can be done in that situation. So anyway, Parkinsonism is a very difficult disease to treat. And even if we are able to make it yapya, that is also fine. But anyway, we are finding many problems while treating this Parkinsonism. And Mashabaladi, Mashadi, Kashaya, etc., Mashadi Tail, Mashatel, Mahamashatel, etc., has Falashruti of Kampavata. And even Chirak Kampa is there. So I tried to use that. Maybe we have to do it internally as well. that might be fine. Anyway, we think what is the time now? How is? So we may conclude today and continue tomorrow. But there are many people who just leave when I start the last prarthana. So don't do that. Mangaladini Mangalamudhyani Mangalantani cha. That is what is expected. So that is why we are doing Mangala in the initial part and also in the end part itself. And nahi केलेलं काही. But at least do Abhyanga help in Kampavata? Yes, it helps. And it maintains, that is very well seen. But whenever the patients are more number of syndopas, generally they come to us when the already dose has exceeded 4, 5, or 6 or something like that. And that is too late. So it is very difficult to control these cases. If initially they come or when the dose is just 1 syndopa a day, then that is more manageable, easy. But syndopa gives miraculous results initially. So people continue with that. And then they come into trouble. That is what it said. What is the matra for basti of Karanji Karpur oil? Only 2 to 3 ml, along with Nirgundi maybe 30, 40 ml. That is fine. So anyway, we'll continue tomorrow and see. Ayurveda prakando nigaditaiha hi शल्यतंत्र प्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने तां च सुष्ठु प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनं वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम्. आप जो त्रिशेष के बता रहे थे वो अधूरी, वो अभी मैंने दिया है इसलिए अधूरा ही है वो. रिसेंटली आई हैव गिवन दैट. सो अभी जब रिजल्ट्स आएंगे तब मैं बता दूंगा क्या हुआ उस केस के बारे में. Mahanarayan oil also gives good result in Kampavata. That is fine, but still the results are generally restricted to better quality of life and maintenance. How many days basti can be given? Matra basti can be given for whole life. Alzheimer is again difficult disease to treat. Anyway, we need to emphasize on Rasayana treatment for Alzheimer and maybe also for Parkinsonism as such. Not night now. That's a big topic, Alzheimer. So maybe if I get a chance, I may talk about